Welcome to this channel, Ships Overview Series. What kind of ship is this? Motor tanker MAHAVIR, IMO number 9308766, is an oil chemical tanker that was built in 2005, 16 years ago, and is sailing under the flag of Gabon. Its MMSI number 626083000, its call sign Tango Romeo Alpha 087. Its carrying capacity is 12,887 tons deadweight, gross tonnage 8351 tons, and her current draft is reported to be 8 meters. Her length overall is 127.2 meters, and her width is 20.4 meters. Where is the ship? Oil chemical tanker MAHAVIR is currently located at Oman Gulf at position 25 degrees 1720 seconds north, 56 degrees 2758 seconds east, as reported by Marine Traffic Terrestrial Automatic Identification System. The wind in this area at that time blows from east direction at force 2 Beaufort. Where is this vessel going to? The vessel is currently at Port Fujairah anchorage after a voyage of 23 hours, 13 minutes originating from Port Hamria. Thank you for watching this video. Comment, like, subscribe, always.